Meghalingdo, who is also the power minister and also the president of UDP. So there is a feeling amongst the people that you are raising a lot of questions against your own party president.
See, in the house to which we are elected, the temple of democracy, there is no party affiliation. We are here first and foremost to represent our electorate and the people of Meghalaya. Once we are here in the assembly, we do not come wearing our party jerseys. Now, when I was minister before the reshuffle, I had also to reply to a number of questions by my fellow partymen. That is in the best interest of democracy, and in fact, the minister concerned should feel happy that by having somebody who knows him well asking these questions, he will get more familiar with the department, with its functioning, with the various complexities of issues that the Department of Power that he holds is faced with. So I think he should be, in fact, thankful that I'm giving him that opportunity to learn more about the department by asking these questions.
Coming back to the issue, do you think that...
One question.
No. I am here, if you look closely at the table where I am seated, my name is reflected as Bapol Lingdo, member 18 West Shillong constituency. Nowhere does it say Bapol Lingdo, working president, UDP, or Bapol Lingdo, president, UDP Shillong City. We do not come here with our party tags. That should be very obvious.
How many questions?
I do not remember. But I've asked a lot of questions, not only to him, but to other departments as well, and you will see those questions also coming up.
But coming to the issue of power, don't you think that people admit that there is irregular sometimes supply of electricity and affecting? Of course, you had a race about the MLAs coming together and discussing the matter.
Right.
So, don't you think that there should be some intervention so that...
I have already raised this matter by way of a cut motion, which, when admitted, will give me the opportunity to express the genuine grievances of the people of Meghalaya over the failing infrastructure and failing service of the power department.